Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to add a bank account for payout on Stockx. This will be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. Now, whenever you want to get your balance out of your account, you will need to use a payout method. There is two kinds of payments in this platform, which is simply by going to the settings section, you will have the payment method and the payout method. The payment is basically what you would use as a card so you could pay for a product that you will buy, and the payout what you will receive inside of your bank account. So how can we add a bank account as our payout method? Now there is a couple of things to respect, as this is the thing to respect here. So StockX supports four methods of payouts for sellers within the United States. So in case you were in the United States, you have PayPal, Venmo, bank transfer, and debit card. So bank transfer is available for United States users. And also it is available for outside of the United States, as you can see here, but it really depends on your location. So it's not for everyone, but literally depends on your location. But the most common one is PayPal. So in case the transfer doesn't work for you, you could still use PayPal. And for the currency that you will support, is basically the currency you are paid out. It depends on how you selected to receive your money. Venmo debit card payouts can only be processed in USD or US dollars. So now what to do in case you would like to actually add your bank account. So hit your account settings and click on edit, then next to the payouts information header. Note that you will be redirected to a new window. Choose your account type, then provide and verify your information. So either you are individual or business. And if you're an individual seller, you will need to provide your date of birth and verify your address. If you represent a business when selling on Stockx, you will need to provide your business registration info, company address, business contact info, and business contact address. Then create account security question and add to verify preferred payout method. Choose your payment method here. So payout method, payment method, and basically choose your bank transfer and basically just put your bank information. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.